Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a stunning 1966 Pontiac GTO. Gorgeous car, man. It's finished in, it's a factory color combination, Cameo Ivory white. With the red vinyl interior. This is a pretty color. I wish we had some sunshine. This color pops. It also kind of flips on you as you kind of walk around it. Like I say, it's got ivory to it, so as you walk around it, it kind of flip-flops a little bit. Very nice car. Car's out of Florida. It's about a 10-year-old restoration. We don't know the miles on the car since it's been restored. Guy actually bought it from a buddy of his, but he didn't know the miles on the car. But great car. I'll tell you what, you can crawl all over this thing. It's rock solid. The floors are clean. I didn't see where they had changed any body panels. Again, factory color combination. Car runs and drives excellent. I didn't see a whole lot you could really nitpick on it. There's a couple of little stone pecks, but that's about it. Car hits the road great. Again, it is an original 242 GTO. 389 automatic with ice cold air. Drives out great. I mean, just a nice car. You can see it's got the padded dash. It's in great shape. Easy eye glass. I mean, everywhere you look, this is just a nice car, guys. Turn the key, point the direction, and go. Look how nice that quarter extension chrome is. This is the worst part about the car, guys, and unfortunately, that rear bumper right there is on national back order, so there's no getting one. Probably the thing to do is to really kind of pull it off, send it out to either Bumper Boys in California or Tri-City Plating down in Tennessee. But right now you cannot get one of those bumpers. Car's nice and straight down the sides. I love the wheels and tires. Those are Rally 2 wheels with the PMD caps and lugs. It's also got, again, this is the worst part about the car. It also has BF Goodrich Silvertown radial red lines on it. Love the tail lights in 66. And like I say, when you crawl underneath this thing, the floorboards are just clean as can be. Pretty paint. They've converted it to front disc brakes. It's a headrest car too. That's very rare. Factory 389 car, Edelbrock 4-barrel, stock intake. It does have headers on it. Power steering, power front disc brakes, factory air blows ice cold. You can see it's got the factory air cleaner and valve covers on it. Like I say, just a really nice car. Wish we had some sunshine. This is a cool color, man. It's just not a bright white. It's got it's called Cameo Ivory for a reason. There's a little ivory to it. And it really looks good on these cars. Factory chrome mirror, you can nitpick it a little bit. A-pillar's pretty doggone nice. Again, it's got easy eye glass, original door handle still on the car. Love this red interior. This color combination just pops. New carpet, new sill plates. Buckets, console. There is a little tear here in this headrest. Again, these headrests are very rare. He's got brand new material for it in the trunk. Well, honestly, I wouldn't mess with it. It's got the deluxe Fisher body seat belts in it. Wood wheel. Factory wood grain dash showing 32,024 on it. Again, guys, we don't know the actual miles on the restoration. Aftermarket Retrosounds radio. It's got an H-pipe dual exhaust system in it. Factory 323 rear end. The original owner's manuals and Protecto plate are in the trunk here for it. Again, it's all spackle coated in the trunk. Those are for the headrest. Again, I didn't see where any panels had been put on the car. And then again, here's your the Protecto plate, original owner's manuals for the car. And like I say, this thing just rides and drives excellent. Which these cars did. Pontiacs, Buicks, Oldsmobiles, these were good cars. These cars clean underneath. Really, the only thing I'd do to this car is I'd hunt a bumper down for it. This car's nice enough that it deserves a bumper. And it's not like that one's hideous back there, but just live with it until you can find a bumper. Sorry guys, a little dirt in there. But man, you want to talk about a nice car. This is a baby doll right here. This car just hits the road great. And see how nice the dash is. Console's in great shape. You nitpick the door handles. They look original. Pillar chrome on this side looks good. Like I say, car just hits the road great. Air works, it blows cold. He still got his air on. You click that air back off. Nice car, man. Got good sound. Not much really for gauges. I love these taillights. Oh, we might have one. Yeah, we got one of the bulbs out. We'll have the guys check it. Car's got great sound.
Grocery staples.
Radio works, blower motor works. Doors open and close nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. That is a good looking car. Good stance. I like the red lines.